Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to use this flexible cutting mats to create beautiful Christmas trees. So stay with me to the end so you can enjoy these ideas. First of all, I cut a triangle on a paper bag and I'm going to trace it on the flexible cutting mats. Now I'm going to be folding it to make the shape of the tree. I'm going to use masking tape to hold the tree in place. And after that, I'm going to use transparent tape for the inside of the tree for a better hold. I'm going to use hot glue for an extra hold, and after it dries, I'm going to take off the masking tape. I got this gorgeous fabric and I want to use it for my first project. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to use the shape of the tree from the paper bag that I used before. I'm going to cut a piece of it and then I'm going to glue it on the shopping mat Christmas tree that I did. If it's your first time, it's so great to have you here. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future video. To all my beautiful subscribers, thanks a lot for your love and support. I really appreciate you. For my second Christmas tree, I'm gonna use these two different gold glitter. Both of them are from Walmart, and I make a mix of tacky glue and water to put on the Christmas tree and then put on the glitter. I'm gonna do the same process for the bottom of the tree using the other gold glitter. I got these sparkling ribbons from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna use it with these beads to make a decor in top of the tree. In my next project, I'm gonna get this glitter mesh from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paste it on the tree using a mixture of tacky glue and water. Now I'm gonna get these baking cups. They are gold and the inside they are white. So I'm gonna put some glitter inside of them, just in the middle, using hot glue. This is how the Christmas tree looks with the fabric mesh. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to take the baking cups and I'm going to paste them using hot glue, going down, making a curve. Now I'm going to use these gold strips. I'm going to cut a line of 2. Those are from Dollar Tree. It has its own adhesive. I'm going to put it near the baking cups following the same pattern. Now I'm going to paste more baking cups around the tree in the bottom. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye.